Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Swift Dzire VXI Bluetooth. First, ensure your car's ignition is on and the infotainment system is powered up for a stable connection. Make sure your mobile phone's Bluetooth is enabled and the device is within about 1 meter of the dashboard. This straightforward process will allow you to enjoy seamless audio streaming and convenient hands-free calling effortlessly. Next, we will navigate your car's infotainment system. Use the menu button to access the settings, then scroll to find the Bluetooth option. Select it and choose Pair New Device to put your car into discoverable mode. The system will display its name, often something like Maruti Car, preparing for the connection. Now, turn your attention to your mobile phone. Open its settings and tap on the Bluetooth menu to begin searching for available devices. You should see your car's Bluetooth name appear in the list. Select it to initiate the pairing process. A 6-digit passkey will often display on both screens for confirmation. Once you have selected the car on your phone, a confirmation message should appear on both screens, indicating a successful pairing. You can then test the connection by playing some audio from your phone, which should now come through the car's speakers. Additionally, try making a quick hands-free call to confirm voice functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.